Hi, I'm Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the S-5 T-clamp. So the T-clamp is used to connect color guard snow fence with standing seam metal roof, and in particular, this clamp will fit on T-shaped seams. So it would go over the top here. An insert would be added after you've already placed it on the seam, and then it will be fastened with 2 set screws on the side. The torque rating for those set screws is typically between 11 and 15 pounds, though it's panel specific. A VersaClip and an M8 bolt would fasten to the top here, and that's what connects it to the color guard snow fence. Every minor box of clamps is going to come with S-5's installation instructions. This is going to go through helpful tips when installing the clamps, as well as the proper torque rating for your panel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com, and our phone number is 720-379-7756. Thank you.